Hello, little builders and dreamers. Have you ever built a super tall tower out of your toy blocks? It is so much fun when it reaches all the way to the ceiling. Now imagine building a house as tall as a giant tree. Let us go on a magical trip to see one of the tallest, coolest houses in the whole wide world. It is in a beautiful country called India, and it is called Antilia. This house is not just one floor like your home. Oh no! Builders and workers worked very hard to build it up. Up, up. It has 27 floors. That is as tall as stacking 27 giant pizza boxes on top of each other. To make it stand so tall, smart builders had to dig deep into the ground to make super strong roots. Then they stacked strong steel and shiny glass to make it touch the sky. But here is a fun puzzle for you to think about. The family who lives in this giant house only lives in the very top floors. So what do they do with all the other floors? Are they just empty rooms with nothing inside? Nope, not at all. There is a whole team of helpers. Imagine a whole football team, but with hundreds of people. These friendly workers are the magic crew. They cook yummy food, fix things, and keep the giant house sparkling clean. Let us pretend we are in a magical glass elevator. Ding! First, we go down to the bottom. There are 6 whole floors just for parking cars. 6 floors! Engineers made sure the floors are extra strong to hold all those heavy cars. Ding! Next floor. Splash! There is a giant blue swimming pool. Ding! Next floor. Munch munch! A huge movie theater with big, comfy seats. Ding! Next floor. Beep, boop. A fun gaming room with lots of toys and games. They even have a beautiful garden with real green plants and pretty flowers, and a lovely quiet room for praying. All inside the building. But why does the family live at the very top? The smart designers picked the top floors on purpose. Way up high, the sun shines bright and warm. The big windows let in lots of happy sunshine. It feels like a warm, sunny hug every single day. So you see, this is not just a regular house. It is like a whole tiny city made out of glass and steel. It shows us what amazing things we can create when we plan carefully and dream big. What would you build if you had 27 floors? Keep building, keep dreaming, and see you next time, little creators.